Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about the different type of non-veg food which we get in VIT Mess. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. So this is the normal type of meal where we will get chicken curry. The number of pieces will be minimum 4 and if they are small you can get 5 also. And lemon juice will be there along with it. So before proceeding further, let me explain you the difference between non-veg and special mess. So the basic difference in term of chicken is like in non-veg mess you will get chicken 3 times a week and in special mess you will get chicken 4 times a week. So in non-veg mess we will have chicken biryani once and chicken curry twice. So total 3 times chicken for non-veg mess. And in special mess we will have chicken 2 curry, 1 chicken biryani, and in one day it will be alternate, like one Friday will be chicken, another Friday will be fish. So that's the benefit of special mess. And in special mess in Saturday I think we have chicken soup as well. So totally it's 5 times chicken in special mess if you counting chicken soup as well, else 4 times major chicken in special mess and 3 times in non-veg mess. So this is my favorite one, which is chicken biryani, where we will get 1 chicken piece but it will be large enough to eat it, and along with it we will get lemon juice and a banana. After biryani I like this chicken the most. This is called dragon chicken. Along with it we have gobi manchurian and masala kulcha, and this flavor is also very nice. This is known as cozy varutha curry, and along with it we have gulab jamun and gobi manchurian. So now let's have a look on the non-veg item which is present inside the campus but not in the mess, like you have to pay and eat. So first we will go to the gym khana. So this is the chicken noodles. It costs around 110 rupees and the quality and the taste is very good. So let's have a look on chicken butter masala and chicken tikka. So this is butter naan, this is chicken tikka, and this one is chicken butter masala. Let's have a closer look. And this is the butter chicken. So this is the Wednesday dinner. In Wednesday lunch we have chicken and dinner we have egg curry. Every day during breakfast you will get different types of egg in both special as well as non-veg mess. This include egg bhurji, boiled egg as well as egg omelette. The perk of special mess is you will get egg curry twice a week, and in non-veg mess you will get egg curry only 1 time a week. So this is the difference between non-veg and special mess. So the main difference on the basis of non-veg item is in special mess the frequency will be more and in non-veg mess it will be little less. So that's the basic difference. Since special mess has an option to choose between chicken and paneer, so this is how paneer look like if you are not opting for chicken you can go for paneer as well. So these were the different type of chicken and non-veg item we get on VIT Mess. I hope you have liked this video. If you still have any doubt you can comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.